Okay, hi everyone. Happy to see all of you again. All gathered today, all different kind of age, to play this first ever Mayor's Harmony Futsal Challenge. Good to see all the guys all coming in, sweat it out, and I hope the final later will be a good one. Alright, so again, let's see who's the winning team.
I find it great. A lot of people from different religions and race and different backgrounds of life come together and play football together. Even though it's not much, but yeah, it's a great thing for them to host for football team.